welcome back to my channel. My name is Katy, aka Tattooed Mama. Today's video is going to be something that has been recommended. Also, I do have an older video from like a while ago that I have done using the Zote, I think that's how you say it, soap that I will be mentioning in this video as well as a few other things. So if you guys do want to check out that video, I will link it right above for you guys, and it's just more of an in-depth video about the soap, but I will be showing it during this video as well. Also, I do want to apologize if my background, is creased a little bit. I need to get another pin and put that to the wall. Nothing like me when I watch videos. Don't bite that, caca, caca, gross. Gave him a beauty blender to play with, and he decided to just rip it in his mouth. Yeah. But yes, my little son is home. My 1-year-old is home, and he's sitting there, and I'm trying to keep him entertained while I film this. I usually don't film when I have him. Usually he goes to his dad's half the week, and that's usually when I film. But I just wanted to sit down and get this video done. And here, sit down. He wants to sit with me. You want to say hi? Which is totally fine. You're just going to see his little head bobbling in the background. So anyway, yeah, if you guys want to see how I clean my makeup brushes and a few easy ways to clean them, then just keep watching. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is something that makes it pretty easy to clean your brushes right after you use them, and that is this right here. This one's from BH Cosmetics. But another alternative I'll show you in just a second. It's just a little tin, and it's got a little sponge on the inside. And what you do, I'll show you right now. You just grab your brush and then you just swipe it on the sponge. And this is also great if you are needing to just use, you're going traveling and you only brought like a certain amount of brushes and you can't really clean them fast enough. This just gets all the eyeshadow off. And I also want to show you guys, does this look familiar? Anyone who gets BOXYCHARM, the big sheet that comes in BOXYCHARM, this could be used to wipe your brushes down as well. So that's a little tip. Plus, you get it for free. Sorry, this little guy's getting. You say hi. This little guy's getting a little cranky and fussy. So the next product that makes it very easy to clean your brushes is right here. This is from e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is the e.l.f. Daily Brush Cleaner. Hold that. And he's going to hold that real quick. This smells so good, guys. It smells so amazing. I love it. I wish I had a perfume that smelled like that. It smells so fresh. Oh my gosh, so clean. Smell it. What do you smell like? Smell good? I think Hunter approves. And you just spray it on your brush right after you use it, and then wipe it off on a paper towel, and it really takes the color out. So I think this is a very easy go-to cleaning your brushes if you don't want to constantly just wait till your brushes are super dirty and then have to really deep clean them. So I just definitely highly recommend that. So the next one that I'm going to be talking about obviously is the Zote, S-O-T-E soap. I will show you what it looks like right up here. You can get it at Walmart. I'm not sure where else, for $2. Such an awesome deal. I will link a link down below where you can get it, and it works awesome. Yes, it's like a laundry detergent, it says, but a lot of people use it for their makeup brushes and sponges. You thinking you smelling that? Smell good?
Alright, next up is going to be this e.l.f. this e.l.f. Solid Sponge Cleanser. This is a charcoal cleanser. Also, I'm using the green little mat that I got from TJ Maxx. I highly recommend it. This, you guys, saves so much time on cleaning your brushes. But as you can see, I've used so much of this. I've pretty much used half of it up. It usually does come out, but it's kind of stuck to the bottom since I just put a little bit of water in there like that. Make sure it's wet. Dump the water out. I get my brush wet, and then I end up just swirling my brush in the pan on top of it, like so. And then I will just grab that and then push it on the little sponge mat, not sponge mat, brush cleaning mat. Hunter's saying how much this works awesome, but I really love this. I'm surprised I haven't gotten one before, and just look how clean that brush is. So this stuff is awesome. I will link all these products down below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video on some tips and tricks of what I use to clean my brushes, and these are all very inexpensive, which is awesome. You can even use like Dawn dish soap, but to me, I feel like these products that I've shown work just a bit better. Yeah, be sure you hit that bell notification button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!